Hello boys and girls, Mr. A here. I have a different kind of video for you today. Check it out. We have this cool ABC countdown to summer, and today A is airplane day. It's A day. I'm gonna do an airplane video for you today. All right, so here we go. All you need is a blank piece of paper. First thing you're going to do is take the top right corner, take it all the way to the side. All the way to the side. Try to line it up the best you can there. Make a nice crease. That's part of the important part, is making a good straight crease. So it should look like that. Please pause the video if you need to, if I go too fast. So again, make sure that crease is nice. Okay. Open it back up. You can kind of see my crease there now. We're going to do the exact same thing the other way now. Take the opposite corner, top left corner, all the way down to the side. Trying to make sure you guys can see it well enough. Right to the edge there. Okay. And the same thing, make a nice crease. Okay, and it should look like that. Okay, now we just open it back up. Now you should have like an X on your paper. Now is the tricky part. You're gonna kind of pinch in the middle. See that? And use those folds to flatten out. Hope you guys can see that well enough. And now, same thing, I'm gonna kind of match up those edges, crease that down. Oops, I'm a little off center at the top there, but it should be okay. Okay, so crease that down. Now it should look like that. Give you a little closer look of what it looks like under there, right? Smash it down, looks like that. See, I'm a little off there, but hopefully it doesn't affect us too much. Okay, now next step, hold this down flat, and you're gonna do this on both sides. Take this corner flap and go right to the top center. And see, since we're off a little bit, it might affect me negatively here, so we'll do our best. So this is going to kind of be your handle to hold the plane, the glider. So just like that, you're taking that corner to the top. We're going to kind of make a diamond here. Same thing on the other side. Right to the top. And any paper airplane you use, you really want to have your symmetrical lines. So I'm not doing that perfectly. You can see how there's a gap there, and up here I don't really have a gap. So it's not the most symmetrical, but you get the idea. But to make your planes fly best, you want them to be symmetrical, which your teacher can talk about what that means. Okay, now next step, you're gonna fold it again. You're gonna take the corner again and fold that corner to the middle. Same thing on the other side. Remember, if I'm going too fast, just pause the video. You can rewind if you need to. So same thing on this side. So again, not being symmetrical at the beginning kind of messed me up here, but you get the idea. That's what it should look like, okay? See how those are sticking up? Now I'm going to show you how to keep them down. So to keep those flaps down, now we're going to fold everything right over and kind of make a flat nose there. See that? So I'm folding everything over to make a flat nose, okay? So it should look like that. So now I'm gonna unfold this. I'm gonna kind of tuck it in that little pocket there. There's a little pocket on the top layer. See that? We're gonna tuck it right in there. And we're gonna do that on both sides. So tuck it into that pocket, like so. Okay, so now I have it tucked in the pocket on both sides. You can see how it's off center a little bit, but that's all right. Now you kind of just want to press down, make sure those creases are smashed down pretty good. And it should look like that. Now to make the wings. This is how I do it. So I like to flip it over, okay? And do one side at a time. I kind of go almost all the way to the middle. Fold that over like that, right? All the way to the middle. Not quite to the middle, I'm a little short of the middle. Then I fold this top part back a little bit, and not all the way back to the edge, just a little bit, so like that. See how that looks? Fold it over, fold this back, make a good crease, and do the same exact thing to the other side. Almost to the middle, almost all the way back, but not quite. Oops, I'm a little off there. Again, the more symmetrical, the better it will fly, but that's what it's kind of gonna look like there. Like that. And that's it. That's your glider. There it is. This is how I hold it and throw it with this part of my hand, and it should glide through the air. All right, now that my glider is complete, I'm gonna go outside and throw it, test it out, see how it flies. You guys try it and let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments what you think of your glider. Thank you.